There are some things you can do to stop bullying before it starts. The most important thing is to be informed. The more you know about bullying, the better you can recognize it, the more confident you'll be in taking a stand against it, and the less likely you'll be to participate in it. Once you know what bullying is, don't do it! Print and sign the pledge in the Resources tab. Something else you can do is to get involved and be a leader in your school. You could also write an anti-bullying blog, or an article for the school newsletter, or even create anti-bullying posters for your school. Finally, be a role model for younger kids and encourage others to take the pledge. That's positive peer pressure, so it's okay. Want to lower your risk of being a bully's victim? One good way is to be confident and proud of yourself. Then you'll be less likely to be hurt by others teasing. But it's also a good idea to stay near adults or friends when you're in places where bullying happens.